Hello, and I'm very glad you're here at Great Garden. There's one thing I've realized after many years of growing orchids. Orchids don't need too much care, they just need the right care. When the roots are healthy, everything else follows naturally. Leaves turn greener, the plant stands strong, and flowers bloom at the right time. In today's video, I'll share a natural, gentle, and easy-to-follow orchid care method that you can do at home, helping the plant recover from within and develop sustainably over time. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to Great Garden so you won't miss simple yet effective orchid care tips. Now, let's get started. First, prepare a clean container like the one shown in the video. Next, pour about 2 liters of clean water at room temperature into the container. There's probably always fresh milk in your fridge, right? That's the first ingredient in this method. Fresh milk contains protein, calcium, and various natural micronutrients helping to nourish the plant, support thicker, greener leaves, and promote healthier orchid growth. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Next, pour the fresh milk into a measuring cup and take about 100 milliliters. Then, mix this amount of milk with the 2 liters of clean water you prepared earlier. Finally, use a spoon to stir well until the milk is completely dissolved in the water, creating a uniform solution ready for the next steps. Next, I use 1 lime as the ingredient. Lime contains natural organic acids and vitamin C, which help clean the leaf surface and support environmental balance. First, cut the lime in half. Then, squeeze out the juice and strain it carefully to remove all seeds and pulp. This ensures the solution is clean enough, preventing clogging or any negative impact on the leaf surface during use. Next, slowly add the strained lime juice to the prepared milk solution, stirring continuously so that all the ingredients blend together completely. This step should be done gently and in the correct proportions to ensure the solution remains stable, prevent precipitation, and help the orchid absorb nutrients as effectively as possible. That's it. We now have a nutrient solution ready for the orchids. Method 1. First, use a clean glass cup to take a portion of the solution. Then gently wipe the leaves of the plant. Next, use a cotton ball or a soft cloth to absorb the diluted mixture of fresh milk and lime juice, then gently wipe both the upper and lower surfaces of the orchid leaves. This method helps remove dust, mineral residues, and buildup accumulated over time, keeping the leaves clean and well ventilated, thereby optimizing photosynthesis. Fresh milk provides a small amount of organic nutrients at a mild concentration, while the natural organic acids from lime juice help clean the leaf surface and balance the microbial environment on the leaves, thereby limiting the growth of harmful fungi and bacteria. You should clean the leaves regularly, about once a month, or whenever you notice a buildup of dust on them. Method 2. Then, pour the properly diluted mixture of fresh milk and lime juice into a suitable watering container and gently water around the base of the orchid. Proper watering technique helps the plant receive a mild concentration of organic nutrients from the fresh milk, while the natural organic acids in the lime juice help balance the growing medium and limit the growth of fungi and bacteria to a certain extent. As a result, the root system is stimulated to grow more steadily, improving its ability to absorb nutrients. You should water about once a week during the initial stage. Once the plant has adapted and is growing well, you can reduce the frequency to maintain nutrient balance and avoid excess. During the process, water gently and avoid making the growing medium too wet in order to maintain good aeration and reduce the risk of fungal diseases. Method 3. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Pour the properly diluted mixture of fresh milk and lime juice into a suitable spray bottle. Then mist it lightly and evenly over the entire orchid, including the leaves, stem, roots, and leaf axils. This method allows the organic nutrients from the fresh milk to be evenly distributed across the plant's surface. While the natural acids from the lime juice help clean and mildly inhibit fungi and bacteria, enhancing the orchid's resistance. When spraying, make sure to cover both sides of the leaves to optimize photosynthesis and maintain stable growth. Apply once a week during the initial stage, then reduce the frequency once the plant is growing well. After spraying, let the plant rest for a short time so the leaves and roots can absorb the nutrients. If water accumulates on the leaf surface or in the leaf axils, gently wipe it off with a soft cloth to prevent prolonged moisture, helping the plant maintain thick, green, healthy leaves and grow sustainably. Results. After about 2 months of proper care and consistent application of the method, the orchids show clear and positive improvements. The root system recovers strongly, with new roots growing evenly. Root tips are green, plump, and glossy, attaching more firmly to the growing medium. This indicates a significant improvement in nutrient absorption. The leaves become darker green, thicker, and cleaner. Leaf firmness increases noticeably. With reduced issues such as yellowing edges or wrinkling, the glossy surface reflects stable internal growth. Flower spikes and buds develop uniformly. The spikes are thick, sturdy, and grow upright. More buds form, appearing larger, rounder, and well-developed, ready for blooming. The flowers bloom evenly, with vibrant colors, thick petals, and long-lasting beauty, maintaining their appearance for weeks and bringing vitality to the orchid pot. This is a well-deserved result of patience and proper care. When nurtured correctly, orchids respond with steady growth and refined beauty over time. What do you think about this natural orchid care method? Have you ever tried a similar approach for your orchid garden? Share your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. If you find this content helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the Great Garden channel, and turn on notifications to stay tuned for more upcoming videos.